Have you ever dreamed of stepping into a world where luxury knows no limits? Imagine flying across the globe in a private jet, checking into a seven-star hotel with gold-plated walls, dining at Michelin-starred restaurants with celebrity chefs, and sailing on private yachts worth millions. In this video, we're taking you deep inside the elite world of luxury travel. From the skies to the seas, from private islands to ultra-exclusive resorts. Whether you're curious, inspired, or planning your next bucket list trip, this video is your all-access pass to the world where money is no object and experience is everything. Let's begin the journey. Chapter 1. Private Jet Life. Luxury travel often begins in the sky, and we're not talking about first class. We're talking private jets. Private aviation has seen an explosion in popularity post-2020, with ultra-wealthy travelers ditching crowded airports for direct, ultra-comfortable flights. Top private jet charter companies like NetJets, VistaJet, and FlexJet offer elite memberships with personalized flight attendants, gourmet catering, and 24/7 concierge services. You can charter a Gulfstream G700 or a Bombardier Global 7500, flying nonstop from Los Angeles to Tokyo with full beds, conference rooms, showers, and cinema screens in the air. A single flight? Up to $150,000? For many high-net-worth individuals, the journey is the destination. Chapter 2. Ultra-luxury hotels and seven-star resorts. When you land, the luxury continues. Enter the world of seven-star hotels, exclusive villas, and private mansions. The Burj Al Arab in Dubai is perhaps the most iconic, with a fleet of Rolls-Royces, personal butlers, and gold-adorned interiors. In the Maldives, resorts like Soneva Jani and the St. Regis Vomuli offer overwater villas with personal infinity pools, retractable roofs for stargazing, and private chefs who cook only for you. Other properties like the Brando in French Polynesia or a Montokyo redefine discreet elegance. Rooms start at $5,000 a night, and some guests stay for months. For these travelers, privacy, service, and exclusivity aren't luxuries. They're expectations. Chapter 3, Dining Like Royalty. Food is no exception when it comes to luxury. Imagine dining at a Michelin 3-star restaurant inside a 15th century castle in Tuscany, or having a private chef fly in from Paris to prepare a 10-course tasting menu in your suite. Elite travelers enjoy culinary experiences curated for their tastes. Truffle hunting in Alba, wine tastings in Napa, led by master sommeliers, or catching your own fish in Iceland, only to have it prepared by a world-class chef minutes later. And of course, there's sustainable luxury dining, organic farm-to-table meals on private islands, with every ingredient hand-selected. Luxury is no longer just about excess. It's about uniqueness and personalization. Chapter 4. Yachting and Private Islands. Next stop, the sea. Yachting has become the new symbol of freedom and opulence. With yachts like the Dilbar Azam or Flying Fox, luxury travelers explore the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, or the South Pacific on their own terms. These floating palaces include helipads, submarines, spas, pools, cinemas, and even onboard medical staff. But if you prefer the stillness of land, private island rentals are in. Places like Necker Island, owned by Richard Branson, or Coco Privé Maldives allow guests to book the entire island, starting at $100,000 per night. Your own beach, your own staff, your own world. Chapter Female Luxury Travel Experiences. Luxury travel is no longer just about where you stay. It's about what you do. Want to go on a private African safari in Botswana with National Geographic photographers? Done. How about scuba diving in the Great Barrier Reef with a marine biologist? Or flying over Mount Everest in a helicopter while sipping champagne? Luxury travelers seek rare, once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Companies like Black Tomato, Abercrombie & Kent, and Scott Dunn design tailor-made adventures. Every moment from airport pickup to farewell dinner is curated to perfection. Chapter 6, The New Frontier. Space tourism. Believe it or not, the next level of luxury travel is space. Companies like Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and SpaceX are now offering commercial trips beyond Earth's atmosphere. Tickets start at $250,000 to $55 million, depending on the experience. Passengers get zero-gravity moments, views of Earth from space, and astronaut training. It's the ultimate bragging right, and it's real. By 2030, space tourism could become a $3 billion industry. Chapter 2, Who are these travelers? So who exactly lives this life? Luxury travelers today are entrepreneurs, investors, celebrities, crypto millionaires, influencers, and even families with generational wealth. They value time over money, privacy over fame, and experiences social medias over possessions. They travel for wellness, culture, adventure, and sometimes simply peace. Some even travel full time as global citizens with no fixed home, just memberships in luxury clubs and passport privileges across borders. Chapter 8: The Rise of Luxury Travel Clubs. Luxury travel clubs are changing the game. Services like Inspirato, the Lux Collective, and exclusive resorts offer annual memberships for $20,000 to $100,000, giving members access to vacation homes, private chefs, concierges, and even travel designers. These travelers never Google where to stay. They have insiders handling every detail. And because many of these experiences are invitation only, exclusivity drives demand. Chapter 9: Why Luxury Travel is Booming. Post-pandemic, the world has changed, and so has travel. People no longer want to wait. They want meaning, memories, and magic now. That's why luxury travel is one of the fastest growing industries in tourism. It's not about showing off. It's about living fully. Wellness retreats, digital detoxes, ancestral journeys, and eco-conscious escapes, all tailored for a world that's hungry for real connection, but on your own terms. So, whether you're dreaming, planning, or just watching in awe, the world of luxury travel is vast, vibrant, and always evolving. It's not it's not about being rich. It's about choosing how you experience the world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury travel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium travel content every week. This is Beyond Borders, bringing the world closer, one luxury journey at a time.